There's a house that lives somewhere between memory and dream. The kind of house you don't just visit, you return to. White clapboard walls, soft with age. A porch that's held 1,000 summer evenings. Wisteria winding up the railings like it's been waiting for you. The screen door creaks, the same way it always has, and for a moment, you're 8 years old again, running barefoot up the gravel path, past the hollyhocks, past the peonies, straight into the arms of someone who'd been watching for you all afternoon. Follow the smell of butter and sugar, and it will lead you here, to a kitchen that never quite stopped humming. Tin canisters labeled in careful handwriting, a checkered cloth worn soft at the corners, a bowl of strawberries still warm from the sun. This is where flour dusted the air like snow, where pie dough was rolled with patient hands, and where every question in the world could be answered with a cup of tea and time. In the next room, the afternoon slows down. A slip-covered sofa holds the shape of 100 naps. Crocheted blankets wait, folded for cooler evenings. On the mantel, porcelain figures stand in quiet rows, keeping watch over photographs of people who felt like giants when we were small. The clock ticks the way it always did, not counting minutes, just marking that time was, for once, unhurried. Upstairs, the light falls differently. An iron bed frame, a quilt stitched by hand, each square a little different, a little imperfect, a little loved. A cedar chest holding linens that smell like lavender and years. This was the room where you were tucked in a little too warmly, where a cat found the one patch of sun and claimed it as its own, where sleep came easy because nothing here could hurt you. Downstairs again, the table is already set, it always seemed to be. Mismatched chairs pulled close together, wildflowers in a mason jar, picked that morning. A lattice pie cooling by the window, its steam curling up like a quiet invitation. There was always room for one more. There was always more where that came from. Outside, the garden kept its own kind of time. Tomatoes ripening in careful rows. A scarecrow standing guard in overalls too big for him. Quilts drying on the line, snapping gently in the breeze, carrying the smell of sunshine back into the house. This was where afternoons disappeared, into games of croquet, into flowers picked for no reason at all, into the simple, endless business of being young. Every house holds its stories somewhere. Here, they lived in a scrapbook on a quilted lap, in aprons hung like memories on a hook, in pencil marks on a doorframe that measured more than just height. And when evening came, there was a porch step, a glass of lemonade, and fireflies rising like small, patient stars. Some houses you leave. This one, you carry with you. Some homes are just houses. Others are where we learned how to love a place.